and we don't even know it. And a lot of times we don't put clothing in our budget. Do you carry around a little notebook?
Pocket, yes, I carry it around and I write down everything that I spend
Good,
and the amount, and I
good.
try to keep track of everything. Sometimes with meals it's a little difficult, but I try to keep track
Good.
to make sure I stick to my monthly budget.
Good, good, good.
This is the time to rethink your budgeting and spending to see what can we cut down on. First of all, buy only the things you need. Look for sales, off-season items. Pay cash whenever you can. Use coupons whenever you can. You can shop at thrift stores and discontinuing the extra things. If you have premium cable service, for example, if you have cell phones and pagers, do you need all of those things? 2 or 3 years from now, when you're happy first-time homeowners, if the budget allows, you can reintroduce certain perks that you might like to have. But right now your focus needs to be on cutting your expenses and building your savings.
I put his credit card away. I took it. So we don't use the credit card. We are paying the credit card, and we try to buy everything cash. And we don't go, out so many times. We used to go once a week. Maybe we go once a month.
Yes.
I think it's been easier than we thought. I think we're getting used to. I don't think he's getting used to. He likes to spend a lot of money.
See,
I'm better.
she's the saver.
I always
of the
say no,
family.
no, no,
Yes.
and he said, "Come on, come on."
I wish I would have listened to my mother when it comes to saving. She always said, if you put $5 away each week, it adds up. You'd be surprised. But now I'm doing much better. The last 3 years, I've never gone over budget. If I can't afford those shoes, I'm not buying them.
Take charge of your finances and get started on the path to good credit and home ownership. For more information, call the Fannie Mae Foundation toll-free at 1-800-599-5300 and ask for your free copy of Knowing and Understanding Your Credit. This step-by-step guide explains what credit is and offers some basic steps to building a good credit record. How important is it to pay bills on time? What is a non-traditional credit history? How does a budget help you manage your credit?
The budget worksheet is good. But a lot of people, they don't like to crunch numbers, so they'll look at it and they say, oh, I have to write this down and add this up, and I really don't want to do it, but they don't realize it benefits them.
If a home of your own is in your plans for the future, take the first step today. Call the Fannie Mae Foundation at 1-800-599-5300 and ask for your free copy of Knowing and Understanding Your Credit. Remember, it's never too late to start building good credit. Call 1-800-599-5300.
Hi, I'm so glad you came back. How's it going?
It's going good, really, really good. I think we reached our goal.
Great.
Our bank statement stated. The
And
credit report
Looks much better than the
looks
first time we
a
came.
whole lot better.
Good.
And we have a
And
home.
we're ready.
You're ready?
We're
Yes.
ready.
Good. I see you closed a couple of accounts.
Yes.
Great. And you've made all your own payments on time,
Yes.
which is excellent. I see the karate school issues off.
Yes.
And the relative has been paying the
Yes. He's been paying.
credit card on time.
We had a long conversation, and he now understands that he needs to pay that bill on time.
Good. Let's hope he learned for himself, too. As we discussed last time, the lender wanted 2 years clear credit. We're just at that point now. You haven't had any late payments. There are no derogatory items on your credit report that are open. So within the next week, we'll help you to look for a lender, and then you can go for your pre-approval. That's the first step to home ownership.
We've been struggling to do this for so long, and now it's like it's almost
Now
there.
that we see the result,
And the good fiscal responsibility that you've established, this will stay with you forever. It's not something that ends once you become a homeowner. You always should use a budget. You have different expenses as a homeowner, but you do need to budget. And you always need to save, too, because life brings unexpected expenses, and being a homeowner brings unexpected expenses. So if you have a little reserve, you'll be ready for whatever comes along. Now I think we're ready to move forward. You're ready to get your mortgage loan.
Yes,
That
we're
sounds
ready
very
for
good.
it.
Good. I couldn't be happier for you.
Thank you.
We're very happy too.
I'll be very glad when you call me and you tell me that you're ready to close.
Oh, no, we'll invite you to that first party.
Okay,
Oh,
I'll be there.
Every time I see my saving accounts, we feel very, very proud. 'Cause
At the beginning, when you look at your statement, you're like, we're never going to reach this. And it's,
at the beginning, yeah.
then it grows a little bit more. And you say, well, we might make it. It grows a little bit more, a little bit more. And then when you reach your goal, it's like, you know,
Much
it gives
satisfaction.
you feel a little bit, you walk a little bit taller.
It worked so well on the waiting worked so well on the marriage front that we're thinking it's going to work really well on the buying a house front too. You know,
Late bloomers.
we're definitely late bloomers.
Bad credit is definitely something you can recover from. I think I'm here to prove it. Definitely. You just have to take the bull by the horn and say, okay, look, this is what I have to do. Let me do it. And, you know, take responsibility for things that you didn't do in the past and try to clear it up. It'll work. I feel very good that I'm on the path to owning a home. I don't even have the keys in my hand. I already have everything figured out, the colors, everything.
I don't think there's going to be a feeling like that in the world that you can say, this is our home.
This is the
I'm
most
home.
important step in our lives. I can't wait.
The information provided in this program was developed by the Fannie Mae Foundation to help you get started on the path to home ownership. Your situation and prevailing interest rates will determine if you qualify for a mortgage and how much you can afford. It is also important that you have the most current information about how your credit will be evaluated. Call a credit counselor or mortgage lender for the latest information on credit.